welcome to Laura's Fundora, and today I'm going to change this diaper box into something like this for Valentine's Day. But I want it huge, and I want it to be able to hold cupcakes. That's my plan. And I don't want a bow, I just want a see-through heart so you can see into the cupcakes. That's my plan, and watch how I do it. Boop! Right, so I hunted through my house and I found the only cardboard box I could find was a diaper box. But this is gonna work. So, you make the diaper box flat so you can easily trace the heart in Sharpie markers, and make sure it's equal hearts, so you know, sometimes it's hard to make both bumps equal. Anyways, you make 2 of those, same size, and then you are going to measure. I did 4-inch strips of cardboard on one side of the heart, and then on the other piece of heart I did 2 inches. 2 inches of strips. And I just made them the length of the heart. That makes sense. And I bent them so they could easily wrap around the shape of the heart. Then I drew out a heart, smaller heart piece, and I traced it on one of the cardboards, and I cut that out, and this is going to be the window to look inside the box. Alright, so then I hot glued the strips to the hearts. So the 4-inch strips, hot glued it down, and then on the other heart, hot glued the 2-inch strips down as well. Okay, then I spray painted both boxes gold. You could probably spray paint it red if you'd like, or pink, whatever color you want, but I wanted to go rich and looking. Alright, so for the window opening, I just got one of those plastic sheet covers, notebook covers, and I used the same trace heart that I had made, and I just made it bigger, about 1/2 inch larger than the piece of paper. Okay, so to add more texture, I hot glued some of this tulle down to just the top part of the heart, and I cut out the window part. Then for all the edges of the cardboard, I hot glued a white ribbon around it so you wouldn't be able to see the weird, you know, cardboard looking ripples. Okay, so now on the side of the heart box, I hot glued, kind of in the style of like a piñata, layers and layers of tissue paper, crepe paper, hot glued it, and then wrapped the edges into the box and hot glued it down as well. Then for an added detail, if you don't want to see the ugly cardboard color in the inside, you could also hot glue tissue paper down there. You add the plastic heart window to the opening and hot glue that down, and then do the tissue paper. Now you just repeat this other step on the other half of the box, but I did this in a black tissue paper. Okay, now it's on to the details. You can add buttons, you can add more ribbon. I wanted to make it very rich looking, so I added these fake diamonds around the center of the heart. And then I wrapped a red ribbon across the heart, hot glued it down. And voila! All you have to do is make the goodies for the inside of the box, which I made velvet red cake with chocolate cream cheese frosting and chocolate hearts on top. Happy Valentine's Day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions on what I should make next, comment below.